everyone, welcome back to PRN Test Drive and another episode of PRNPOV. Today I've got the keys to this 2025 BMW M440i Coupé. This is the LCI model, which means you get a whole bunch of refreshed goodies, new rims, new headlights, new grille. These headlights look fantastic, and it's got a little bit of blue on the side. Fantastic. Under the hood is still the famous B58 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine paired with 48-volt mild hybrid system. This time puts out 386 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Power through the 8-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels. xDrive system, so it's significantly rear bias. Over to the rear, new taillights. These taillights look amazing. BMW laser, fantastic. This red exterior is paired very nicely with this two-tone black and red interior. Of course, you get the iDrive 8.5 screen in the center here, and the new steering wheel design looks fantastic. What's also amazing on this car is how it sounds. This inline-6 sounds really good, and in my opinion, a little bit better than the S58 in the M3 M4s. That's just me though, I prefer like a higher pitched note. Anyway, enough of me talking, let's go on a drive, let you enjoy all of the sounds. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this POV. For the full review, check out our other video. Hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.